ZZP sent us some coilovers to try for the 1.8 Cruze project? What?
Did we just become best friends?
Yup!
You want to go build hot rods in the garage?
Yup! Stay tuned as we unbox them and go over the details. Let's go. Welcome back if you're new to the channel. I'm Matt. As a lot of you know, we've been working on our 1.8 turbo Chevy Cruze project, and what better to go along with it than some coilovers? I've never installed or have had a set of coilovers for any vehicle. I've gotten Eibach lowering springs, but ZZP sent us some coilovers to try out that aren't even on the market yet. How awesome is that? Shoo-wee, buddy! There they are right there, street edition. Let's go ahead and toss this on the table and open them up. Wow! Man, I feel like it's Christmas. What? All right, we'll get a close-up of these, but these are the sway bar end links. Very nice looking. I feel like just tearing into this and throwing stuff out of the box, but I feel like I'm gonna end up throwing something out that I shouldn't. All right, so we got a set of spanner wrenches here, along with our tools to adjust the dampening of our shocks, the hardness, softness, and we got a sticker. Yes, sir. That'll do it. I think it's time for a bigger toolbox because we're out of room over here. All right. Here are the rear springs. Look at that. That just looks nice. Very nice. All right, and we've got our shocks for the rear. Let's take a look at these. Man, that is nice. I like the holographic sticker there. Very nice. Great job, guys. And then we've got our adjustment again here for how stiff or soft we want the shocks, so we can get a nice comfortable ride on the street and stiffen them up for the track. But man, that's nice. Very cool. And then we've got our front struts here. Huh. I imagine this is so they can mark when they were made. Again, I don't think these are on the market yet, so we're getting to test these out. Frickin' sweet. Dude, these look nice. Man, and I really appreciate it too. So here the knuckle bolt holes are slotted so you can adjust the camber on the vehicle. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm really not a suspension guy, but it'd be cool learning about this stuff, tossing them on the car and dialing things in. But I'm loving the black, white, gray, and red theme because it definitely goes with my car very well. But they look like some nice, solid units. Is it dumb that I like the texture of this? ASMR. So let's compare these sway bar end links to the stock stuff on the car. You know, I really never did care for these plastic sway bar end links here. So it'll be nice to replace it with some actual metal pieces. And it shouldn't be too difficult of a job to swap all this stuff out. So be sure to stay tuned because I'm going to do a step-by-step video of how to install them on the car. Any problems that I run into, probably a straightforward process. Again, I've never done this myself. However, how hard could it be? And I gotta say, they came at a really good time because with our subframe out to fix our issue going on with our flywheel over here, and some new Toyo Proxy R888Rs. What? So a huge shout out to the guys over at ZZP and gals. Really appreciate you sending them over to me to try out. Really looking forward to it. For those of you that have an Ecotech, be sure to check their website out. Lots of stuff. I mean, I've purchased plenty of stuff from our limited slip inside the transmission, our pillar gauge pod, or whatever you want to call it. Hell, even this flange was kind of old stock from ZZP. Got that off of eBay. The throttle body, that's from them too, as well as our flywheel. And what's just a quick update on this, I had it machine welded up, so she's ready to toss in, just waiting on my bolts. Is there anything else I got from them? Long story short, anything I could buy for my 1.8 project, I got. Go over and check them out. They have lots of stuff for the 1.4, good quality shit. And if you didn't catch my last video, we're giving away a GT35 82R from Max Speeding Rods. I'm gonna leave a card right here. Go over to that video and comment GT35 for your chance to win. The contest will end on April 4th, my birthday. Idiot. Ooh, it's smuggy. You must be in the continental 48 states of the US and of A. And you can't be a friend or family. So go over and check that out. Great turbocharger to get your project going. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Let me know what you think down in the comments starting out. Should I go with stock ride height, which I'm thinking of going that way, or should I lower it a little bit? Because we do have that adjustability with these coilovers. I think it might look a little silly slammed on the stock wheels with the plastic hubcaps, but I don't know, maybe a little bit of a rake to get some of the weight over the nose. And until next time, peace out with your peace out.